Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to watch and specifically find a live streaming game on Facebook. So it's super simple. We want to make sure that we're on the home page, and then we go to the left hand side where it says gaming video. Click on that. Now that brings us to the main page of the live streaming world in Facebook. Now we're going to click on browse live streams, and now click on games, and then type in the specific game you want to watch. So I want to watch Apex Legends, so I typed in Apex Legends, and then here are all the streamers that play Apex Legends on Facebook. So I'm going to click on that, and I can follow it, or I can click on videos that have already been posted about Apex Legends. And these are all different creators that I could watch and follow them and watch their live streams on Apex, right? And then I can go to live, and these are all the live streamers that are currently playing the game and live streaming it on Facebook. So I can click on one, and you can see that this guy is about to, probably go into a lobby of Apex. So let's go to another one right here. So this guy's live streaming Apex 2, and what I can do is I can click on follow, and once I follow him, I can go to my following account on the left hand side, and you'll be able to see all the people you follow right over here. So thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.